Hi, and welcome to NAPA PROLink. This video will explain how to use the My Lists function and just how easy it can make ordering parts for your customers. The My List function allows you to save a list of parts for your future use. You can quickly reorder the whole list or print it off for reference. This function is ideal for stockroom reordering, for companies that run a fleet of vehicles, and more. To begin, select the Parts tab in the top left-hand corner. Either search through the category options or type in the search bar which item you're after. Adjust the quantity and add the items to your order pad. Continue this process until all items are added to your order pad. Once completed, hover your mouse over the Save As button and select the My List drop-down tab. The Save as a List screen will appear. Save as a list under any name you require or append an existing list. Once done, click either Append or Create an Add. To look at all of your lists, select the Lists tab at the top of the screen. If you are needing to update or change a list, select the list you are wanting to amend. To add a part number, select the Add to List button. Search for the product you're after like so. Select the product and add it to your list. To remove a product, simply click the X button. Once all amendments are made and you've finished, hit the Save button. If you're wanting to place an order, select the Order Now button and order as usual. Discover a simpler way of doing business at napaprolink.com.au.